person you are trying to call is currently busy. The person you are trying to call is currently busy. Busy in a world that needs no buffering.
So it's almost 12:23. So it's almost 12:23 in the afternoon, and I'm going to trek. It's a hide and seek game between the sun and the rains. Anyways, so we're going to trek. Since this vlog may be a longer one, I might just make a separate vlog for the trek, and the video which you all have seen, that is just for the ride. Alright guys, so I've entered the Karnala Bird Sanctuary, also known as the Karnala Fort. Start. Before that, I'll just help you with the information. For bike charge, it's 25 bucks if you have a bike and you want to park it out there. If it's a four-wheeler, it's going to be around 100, and 150 for a bus or a bigger vehicle. And in regards to your per head, it's 35 bucks. For the camera, it's around 100 bucks. If you have any eatables or any sort of plastic contents, then you will have to deposit around 100 bucks, which will be returned to you once you are back, and you have to show them whatever things you have carried with you. For example, a plastic bottle, you need to get it back and show it to them. That's it. Or then you will be charged for it. To show you all that there are caged animals, there are caged birds out here. Like there is a peacock, there are a few parrots, and there are kites out there, but it's quite dark, so I won't be able to show you all. Idhar se dikha deta hu. You can see how dark it is. So I've tried, but I can't get into the birds. Any which way, it's in captive. I don't like birds. I don't like to shoot birds in captive. So we'll just trek and we'll enjoy. And yes, I've got a few clips which I will share with you all at the end of the video. So about this place. Okay guys, let's trek. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you all. I know it's in captive, but then I just wanted to show you all in case if you all are interested, you can just come in here. So there are some kakutos out here. And then, I don't know if you can see them. This is empty. Here you have parakeet. So you have the rose ring parakeets out here. Here again, this one is empty, and most of the attraction is by the peacock out here. You can see there is a peacock out here. A lot of people trying to click pictures just because of the beautiful wings. So there is a cafeteria out there. In case if you turn up and you're hungry, you can go out there and grab a meal, have a coffee, refresh yourself, and then you can trek. Also, you have sitting arrangements made. You can be seated out here. A lot of space for people to sit in case if there are elderly people coming. You don't have to worry. So there are seating arrangements. They can be seated out here, and once you're seated out here, then if you're young, you can go and trek, or you can still enjoy the feel of this place like I'm doing right now. I'm in 2 minds. Shall I go, because I have to return back by 3 and I don't think so I'll be able to do it. But anyways, let's see how far I can go. And with all this all this Boria Bistar what I'm carrying, I have a bag, I have my helmet, I have another tank bag where I have my camera. So you can understand how difficult it is going to be for me to trek with all these things and with limited source of water. But here I have a good amount of water. I'll just show you all. Here. This place is beautiful, yeah. In fact, you can come and click some pictures out here. ऑलराइट गाइस, ज़्यादा चढ़ा नहीं और एकदम से थक गया हूँ. I'm like exhausted. I don't know why, because I can see people are not wearing the mask, and is it maybe because I'm wearing the mask I'm not been able to breathe well, and when you're climbing you need to take really good breaths. And also the road, if you can see, it's quite stony. People are walking and it's slippery as well during the rains. Need to be careful. आते टाइम इतना तकलीफ नहीं होएगा, पर ऊपर चढ़ते टाइम बहुत तकलीफ देता है. हाँ, अभी तो बहुत चढ़ना है, ऑलमोस्ट 1-1.5 घंटा है. Okay guys, while trekking, one small tip. I know most of you all will be knowing about this, but कैसा है क्या, बारिश में ना ये ऐसा चिकल होता है. It's all mucky out here, ठीक है, बहुत फिसलन होता है. First step, you need to have proper trekking shoes. Yeah, at least a shoe, you can't come with sandals. Second thing is, don't walk on this mucky thing. फिसल जाओगे, ठीक है, and you need to balance your weight. Second thing is, जो rocks होता है ना, उसके कोने में पैर रख के, from the edges you can move about. That is very important. That will give you some sort of balance. ठीक है. Those insects make a lot of noise. Okay. सांस फूल रही है बस यहाँ पे, कि इतने दिनों बाद अगर आप ट्रैक कर रहे हो ना तो ऐसा होता है. But the best part is in nature that keeps you inspired. So this is what I was talking about. ये जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ ना अभी वहाँ देखो, जहाँ से वो जा रहा है वहाँ पे बहुत चिकन है, तो वो रास्ते से मत जाओ. ये यहाँ पे जो साइड वाला रास्ता होता है वो देखो. ये एग्जांपल दे रहा था मैं आपको कि जहाँ फिसलन मारा है ना वहाँ से मत चलो, जहाँ पे कम फिसलन है, जैसे कि ये रास्ता. यू कैन सी हाउ इट्स लिटिल बिट ऑन अ हार्ड साइड. तो ये साइड के रास्ते थोड़े मुश्किल होंगे, पर यू कैन स्टिल वॉक इट आउट. ये देखो, रास्ता निकालना ट्रैक में वही मेन चीज़ है कि आप कैसे रास्ता निकालोगे. रास्ता तो मुश्किल ही होगा, बट यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल एंड सेलेक्टिव. ये देखो यहाँ पे अभी चिकल है, ठीक है, हम रास्ता यहाँ पे देखो पत्थर है, हार्ड, जहाँ पे हार्ड ज़मीन होता है ना वहाँ पे आप पैर रखो. साल तीन अकाउंट है. वाइल्ड हैक. So guys, I'm really exhausted, to be honest, after a long time. And one thing what I want to share with you all now is this. You can see a lot of people down there. So the best part about hiking is hiking, trekking, whatever you all call it, that today I was all on my own. Ideally people come in group. Now I don't know whether I'll be able to reach the end point. So I just wanted to share this experience right now, all on my own. And I got a couple of colleagues on the way, and you can see two of them right there. I don't know if you can hear them, but I am accompanying them, you can call it. And it's a good experience. Yeah, you get even if you're all on your own, you get people who will be helpful, and especially they've been very inspiring. This has been a great experience for me, guys. The help that everyone are reaching out to, there are people, youth, helping out the adults. It's so good, yeah, to see that like people are helping each other. Especially it's very slippery when you're going down or we're coming up, and people are like holding each other's hands, supporting each other. It's good to see that, yeah. So whenever you all come in, no guys, try this, try to help each other. You can hear the monkeys making a lot of noise out here. So a lot of wildlife. I'll show you all a small clip of all the monkeys and all the wildlife what I have caught, and also the scenic beauty of this place. So let's continue the journey, guys. So there are a lot of langurs here with me in the forest, and I'm really enjoying this. यहाँ से almost you can see Navi Mumbai, Gansoli, that sort of part, and it's quite foggy, but the view is amazing here. So here is the Karnala Fort, and don't worry, अपने पास zoom lens है, so I'll just show you all the place, and I'll show you all the fort. तो वहाँ दिख रहा है आपको, zoom करता हूँ मैं. That is Karnala Fort, guys. Alright, so I hope you all enjoyed all the scenic views and whatever I could show. To be honest, very difficult to vlog, especially when you're all alone and you're trekking, because you get very tired, so you don't have that energy, and now again to go down. Alright guys, so finally I am right at the end, and बस closing देना था और कुछ नहीं. मेरे साथ मेरे दोस्त हैं with me, कृष्णा जैसा जो हमारे साथ है. Actually इनके वजह से मैं नीचे आया, and within less than 1.5 hours. To be honest, have done. बोलो भाई कौन सा ट्रैक किया है?
हम लोगों ने किया है हरिश्चंद्रगढ़ किया है, पेप फोर्ट, लोहगढ़ वगैरह बहुत सारे ट्रैक किया है.
So they have done a lot of trekking experience, guys. The behind him also there is another guy. अभी इधर इशू क्या हो गया है कि हम लोग ने ना जब एंट्री किया तभी कुछ मतलब उनके पास चेंज नहीं था. ओके, दे डिडंट हैड चेंज, और उसके वजह से उन्होंने बोला कि पैसे आप बाद में लो जब आप निकलते हो. 4 बजे कुछ टाइमिंग दिया था. अभी ऑफिस बंद हो चुका है उन लोग का, पर क्या है कि जो भी अमाउंट है ना, these guys, I am at least on my bike, but these guys are come on their own, like train, the normal bus service and all, no, वैसा. So it's very important, you know, that whatever your amount is, and हक का पैसा है भाई, तो you need to get it ना. तभी इन लोग कोई बोल रहा था that you know the office closed and all, but ये जो बंदा है जो आपको दिख रहा है ब्लू टी शर्ट में, वो तो he is like just behind him and he's spoken to the officials and they have, I don't know, he's still the talk is still going on. So let's see whatever it is, but I really enjoyed this trek, guys. Like I'm exhausted, I'm completely exhausted.
बहुत मज़ा आया
भाई, मज़ा आया, और ये इन लोग दोनों की वजह से मेरे को भी मज़ा आया, बिकॉज आई वाज जस्ट व्लॉगिंग. मैंने ऊपर गया, आई डिडंट हैड क्या बोलते हैं, जान नहीं थी एकदम ऊपर जाने के लिए. जहाँ तक गया आपको पता है वो दिखा दिया. वहाँ पे मुझे ये दो मिले, वहाँ से मैंने थोड़ा क्लिप्स निकाला और इनके साथ नीचे आया. और मेन प्रॉब्लम ये है, ये देखो अभी ये लोग कुछ बात कर रहे हैं, सुनो. So they are not giving the amount now. दैट्स फाइन.
ठीक आहे, ते उद्या सकाळी या आणि घेऊन जा पैसे त्यांच्याकडे. ओके. नहीं भैया, हम लोग नहीं क्या यहाँ पे रहते नहीं एक्चुअली, हम लोग मुंबई
So
के.
the official what they're saying is that the office is closed right now. In case if you all want the amount, you all have to come. So that also fair from their part. I don't know exactly, but I don't know. You all take a call with this guys because the timing is like till 4 o'clock. But people do come by 6. So that is what they are saying. So I do agree with that to some extent. But when it comes up to money, I don't know. Like people they do come. Any which ways, that's okay. It was like I know it's very harsh on us that we do not get our money back, the refund, whatever, if you do not come on time. But to be honest, if you come with the best thing, what I will advise is come in the morning, complete your track, come back before 4, and you'll get whatever the amount. Later on, there's a lot of issues of the amount, whatever your deposit, and you won't get it back. So because you have seen there, the conversation is going on. He's given him the money though, but he's just told us that be careful whenever you come. Any deposit has to be, one person has to come down, collect it before 4 o'clock. That is it. And people do come. The sanctuary actually closes at 4 o'clock. That is what the officials are saying out here. Information दे रहा हूँ boss, like करो. Whatever experience है वही मैंने share किया है कुछ. And I just don't have a script. It's just whatever comes out. जो भी आपने देखा है मज़ा आया, no doubt बहुत मज़ा आया. But if you're not fit like me, then it's going to be a task. These guys are very fit. They really enjoyed, and that's it. So chalo bhai.
And finally, the rupees are back.
Oh, bye. Finally, we got the amount back. Here is my. Thank you, yaar. So got my $40, which was deposit, and he's got his amount. So thanks, thank you, officials जो भी. But thanks to this guy, ये जाके सीधा बैठ गया officials के साथ. जाके सीधा ऑफिसर से बात किया. यहाँ पे मना किया, तो उसने जाके उधर पे बात किया. Whatever it is. चलो हो गया अपना. मज़ा आया करनाला पर्ल सैंक्चुरी. अगर वीकडेज़ पे आते हैं ना तो आपको और मज़ा आएगा. संडे सैटरडेज ऐसा वीकेंड पे आते हो तो क्राउड जो रहता है ना वो ज़्यादा क्राउड मिलेगा आपको. ड्यूरिंग रेन्स फिसलन आपका जो मानसिक बोलता है ना योर द फिजिकल फिटनेस, जो मेंटल फिटनेस, इट ऑल प्लेज आउट योर. एंड अ मस्ट यार इफ़ यू ऑल जस्ट वांट टू कम क्लोज टू नेचर. आप लोगों ने एंजॉय किया कि नहीं?
बहुत एंजॉय किया.
दिस गाइज एंजॉयड. दिस गाइज वेंट राइट अप अंटिल टॉप. इन लोग का और जो स्पीड से गया, जो स्पीड से लिटरली इन लोगों ने मेरे को भगा के नीचे आया. मैं ब्रेक लेने वाला बंदा हूँ, मतलब आई लिटरली टेक्स अ लॉट ब्रेक. मेरे को चढ़ने के लिए 2-3 घंटा लगा, आने के लिए सिर्फ लेस देन 1.5 आधा घंटा तो इधर बैठा, वही मच चल रहा था, थोड़ा बैठा आराम किया. पर फिर भी अगर देखने का 2 घंटे के विद इन दैट, और वो भी फिसलन भरा. द मेन थिंग इज इट वॉज स्लिपरी. जितना स्लिपरी था ना बॉस उधर पे, इट वॉज वेरी स्लिपरी. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द चैलेंजेस वही है, बहुत सारे लोग फिसल गए, यू माइट गेट हर्ट एंड ऑल. सो और मस्कीटोज़ भी है, मच्छर भी है. तो बहुत मस्कीटोज़ के लिए मस्कीटो रिपेलेंट जो है वो कैरी कर लो अगर चाहिए तो, बस वही. और अगर बाम बिम थोड़ा, क्योंकि अगर लग बिक गया तो. बाकी एकदम सतर्क रहने का, आराम से चलने का, बस और कुछ नहीं. एंजॉय करो यार नेचर. ज़्यादा नहीं बात करूँगा. विद दैट आई एंड माय व्लॉग गाइस. आई विल सी ऑल्सो इन द नेक्स्ट व्लॉग. टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय गाइस. और हाँ, लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो,
लाइक शेयर एंड
कमेंट,
और बेल आइकन भी बजा देना उनका.
सब्सक्राइबर लोग बोल रहे हैं, नए सब्सक्राइबर बने हैं, इन लोग ही बोल रहे हैं. चलो थैंक यू गाइस, बाय.